Are you puzzled by that cracking sound when you crack your knuckles? Let's uncover the truth. When you crack your knuckles, you're actually creating bubbles in the synovial fluid of your joints. Sounds weird, right? Here's the scoop. The synovial fluid is a lubricant that helps your joints move smoothly. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you create negative pressure inside the joint. This pressure change forms tiny gas bubbles which collapse and create that popping sound we all know and love. But don't worry, cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. In fact, studies show it's pretty harmless. So, do you crack your knuckles? Why or why not? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're curious about more body quirks, don't forget to like and subscribe.